T-step, running man, other side, toe heel, right into the crisscross, and to finish just a step kick ball change. All right, let's take it slow. 2 T-steps, 2 running man, other side, right into the toe heel, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, same arm, step, kick, ball change. Now your feet come together on that running man. Feet come together, toe heel, 2, 3, 4, cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out, and finish. Up to tempo. Up to tempo from the front. And I'm listening to Dance Monkey as I dance to this, so the beats will match. I've added on 2 extra T-steps and 2 extra running man to make it a little bit longer. Same thing one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 on the other side, but the same amount of toe heel. I hope that you'll try it too.